It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, it's a hop in the ride, don't suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down, dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill my vibe.
What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, cousins? So today, you guys, we are gonna be doing this brown unit, girl. Brown unit. I don't know if I can slay this now. I don't know. I saw this unit on TikTok a lot, but I got this unit from a company named Alipearl. I think I've worked with them before. But the quality of this hair is beautiful. The lace seems to be pretty nice as well, but this is like a very trendy chocolate brown unit I see a lot of people talking about. I'm gonna take this unit off, and I think this is a 13x4, so it's not like extremely, the part, like, it's not extremely long. It might be a 13x6. No, I think it's a 13x4. So we're gonna go ahead and position this on our head properly. I already cut the ear tabs and stuff like that, so I think I got a nice snug fit now. I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. It's like a messy little ponytail. I don't know if I can slay this look, y'all, but I'm gonna try. I'm definitely gonna try, because I want to take some content with this brown unit, because I feel like it's so cute if I can slay it. Now with this unit, I plan on doing a part in the middle, just something very sleek. It lays on my hairline. But like I was saying, I saw this wig all over TikTok, so I was like, you know what, let me give it a try, let me give it a go. I want to step out the box more this year. Okay, so I want it about right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use some boho liquid gold. I need to order some more, because this is starting to look real crazy. Like I said, this don't last as long. It don't. I just gotta be honest with y'all. It don't last as long, but it's gonna get the job done. Now I need to plug up my blow dryer. You don't want to blow dry it too much, because this is not glue, so I haven't did my hair this way in a long time, hopefully. We're gonna see what we can do, because I just don't like how thick that lace is. But so I know that this side down, I'm sure it'll look better once I tie my hair down. But yeah, this lace is, you know, this lace is thick, girl. I ain't did this much work on a unit in so long. Same thing to this side, and then after that, guys, we're gonna tie this hair up and see if it can melt a little bit more. Let me turn the light down. I want to show y'all what's going on. So we're gonna do this side. Okay, guys, so here is as blended as I can get it without tying it down. So I'm gonna put more and more layers of Got To Be, because I'm doing whatever it takes to like help blend this unit in. I put a lot of foundation on, not too much, but I did use foundation on top of the lace, and I never really do that with my units, but with this unit I kind of like had to. I'm gonna tie it down with this little band, trying to kind of like melt the lace a little bit more. Everybody who I saw style this wig, they had it with a part down the middle. So I'm like, let me just do my part down the middle as well. Let me not try to get too fancy. Y'all, so I'm just taking the baby edges, I cut them, and I'm just like trying to mold them a little bit. I haven't used like Got To Be in a long time to like secure my wig and stuff like that. I don't know if I like it because it's like crunchy. I don't like my hairline to be crunchy, so I'm probably gonna reinstall this unit and just use the glue like I normally do, because I don't know, it just feels really crunchy, and I feel like my installs be a lot neater than this, but I don't know. So I'm finally done with this unit. So okay, a quick review on this unit. The lace, it took me through it a little bit. I mean, it looked good now, but I had to do like a fluffy baby edge because, like, I don't know, y'all, I just really like my hairline to look a little bit more flawless. But the hair looked absolutely amazing. The hair, like, and I love this color. It is beautiful. This color is everything. So I just did the fluffy edges, as you guys can see, like just like kind of like messy type of edges. Wherever they end up, like, it don't have to be defined or uniformed. So, and you know, I have to kind of train them to go that way. You got to kind of train your edges to be messy. But I really like this unit. It's really pretty. Let me show you guys how it looks all together. And I know it'll look a lot better once I tie it up and sleep on it a little bit. Put a little bit more mousse on the edges just so they can be a little bit more softer and a little bit more fluffier. But this unit is beautiful. I love this color. I can rock with this color, y'all. It's pretty. So I'm going to leave all the information down in the description box for you guys if you're interested in getting this chocolate unit, because it is really pretty and it's pretty long. It's pretty long. But yeah, I love this unit. So I'm really loving it now that I did my like signature fluffy baby edges. So alright girls, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you check out Alipearl if you're interested in this chocolate unit, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.